Alright, if you've ever felt frustrated spending hours writing blog posts, tweaking SEO, or chasing Google updates only to see your traffic vanish overnight, you're not alone. I've been there too. But today, I'm going to show you something that flips the game completely. A way to rank in SEO, AEO, and GEO before everyone else catches on, using a tool called Traffic Genie. Think about it. For 20 years, getting found online meant one thing: rank on Google. But that monopoly is broken. Google now answers half of searches right in a box, without sending anyone to your site. Millions of people skip search altogether and ask AI tools like ChatGPT or Gemini instead. And if your content only ranks, you're invisible in both places. Here's the scary stat. Out of 14 billion web pages, 96% get zero traffic from Google. That's the old game. The new game is winning three ways at once: ranked in search, picked as the answer, and cited by AI. That's exactly why Traffic Genie exists. It's the first all-in-one engine that writes your content, designs your images, records a narrated video, and publishes everything automatically. One keyword typed in, and boom, you've got a full content piece structured to win across SEO, AEO, and GEO. No writing, no designing, no video editing, no monthly fees for 5 different tools. Just one engine doing the whole job while you sleep. Here's how simple it is. Step 1. Generate. Type in a keyword. That's it. Traffic Genie writes the content, creates the images, and builds the video. Step 2. Automate. It publishes hands-free to your hosted site and YouTube, then keeps posting daily. It even rewrites what slips so you stay visible. Step 3. Profit. It tracks what wins, fixes what flops, and injects your affiliate links automatically. Free traffic turns into clicks, leads, and sales. If you can order a pizza online, you can run Traffic Genie. Here's the kicker. AI answers are still wide open. Big brands haven't locked them down yet. That means beginners, yes, even you, can get quoted and cited right now. It's the same edge the first bloggers had when Google was new. Waiting is the most expensive move you can make. Imagine being the one in your niche who shows up everywhere, ranked in search, picked as the answer, and cited by AI. That's triple visibility, and it compounds over time. Now, let's be real. Other tools give you a draft and leave you to do the rest. Or, they charge you monthly for just one slice of the job. $50 here, $100 there. If you hire a writer, one blog post can cost $375 to $600. Multiply that by 30 posts a month, and you're staring at a second mortgage. Traffic Genie collapses all of that into one engine, one payment, one time. No subscriptions, no hidden fees. And don't worry about robotic text. Traffic Genie has a built-in humanizer that fires before anything goes live, so your content sounds natural and gets past the filters. Plus, it tracks competitors and SERPs with live GEO readiness scores, so you're not just publishing, you're outranking the room. So here's the choice. Keep grinding by hand, watching your traffic vanish, or let Traffic Genie do the whole job for you, hands-free. Type in one keyword, and it writes, publishes, and earns. The shift to AI answers is happening now. The window is still open, but it won't stay open forever. Be the early mover. Rank in SEO, AEO, and GEO before everyone else catches on. Click the link below. Grab Traffic Genie today and wake up to traffic, leads, and sales without writing a single word. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you inside with your first keyword.